Genesis is a great place to work because we're a part of a thriving, growing manufacturing industry here in Indiana, and that means a lot of room for growth.
Genesis is a great place to work. It's a great location in the heart of the Midwest, and it's a really easy commute.
Genesis is a great place to work at because of all the family atmosphere and all the fun events we've had, such as the ice cream social.
As a breast cancer survivor, I do like working at Genesis because we do make medical parts, medical devices that touches people's lives every day.
As a 2014 Genesis On the Cook-Off champion, it's a great place to work here because Genesis has found out the best way to an engineer's brain is through his stomach.